Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. I'm your science teacher, Nida ma'am, for class 4th. Children, today we are going to discuss about food chain or cycle of life. Before that, let's discuss what we have learnt in previous session. Yes, we have learnt about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which green leaves prepare food in the presence of sunlight and with the help of water, minerals and carbon dioxide. Now let's move to our new topic, food chain. Before we discuss about the food chain, it is important to know about carnivorous animals and herbivorous animals. So children, carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals are those animals who are dependent on other animals for food. Tiger, lion, shark, these are all carnivorous animals. They are very dangerous. They eat flesh, meat, and they kill other animals to feed themselves. However, in the right column, the animals who are dependent on plants and trees, they are known as herbivorous. Herb means small plants. These animals are dependent on plants, trees. They eat plants and trees for their survival. Have you seen these animals in the zoo? Carnivorous animals are kept separately so that they do not attack other animals, whereas herbivorous animals like deer, giraffe, elephant, they can roam in the zoo freely. So children, have you understood carnivorous animals and herbivorous animals? So let's move on to food chain. So children, let's start food chain, cycle of life. On earth there are living things and non-living things. Yes? The living things are plants, animals and human beings. On this earth there is a food chain in which these living things are connected to each other. All living things depend on plants. Green plants prepare food. Herbivores get their food by eating plants. Carnivores eat herbivores and get this food. In this way, a food chain is formed. So, when you see in this picture, a carnivorous animal is dependent on a herbivorous animal and eats flesh, whereas a herbivorous animal is dependent on a green plant and eat plants and trees. So, this is a food chain. A food chain shows how energy is passed from one living thing to another. So children, what have we understood from food chain? That plants are the main source of energy in this food chain. Plants give us the food we eat. If we cut down the trees and destroy the plants, there will be no food and oxygen for us. Plants and animals are best friends. They need each other for their survival. Plants provide oxygen to animals and animals release carbon dioxide to plants. If the number of animals decreases, there will not be enough carbon dioxide for plants to make food. Plants also keep the air clean and thus keep a check on pollution. So children, plants and trees are dependent on each other for their survival. In this diagram, we can see that plants and animals are interdependent on each other. When plants gives oxygen to animals, the animals releases carbon dioxide to the plants. So, we should plant more and more trees for the survival of our living beings. So children, this brings us to the end of this session. I hope you have understood this chapter. Please revise the chapter. I hope you have completed the previous assignment. I have attached an assignment related to this topic. Please complete it. Till then, be safe and healthy. Thank you and bye-bye.